Linking your bank account to your Vanguard account is a straightforward process that allows you to easily transfer funds for investments. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Vanguard account. Visit the Vanguard website and log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Once logged in, locate the My Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it, and then select Account Settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information and click on the Confirm or Save button. You may receive a verification message or email confirming that your bank account has been successfully linked. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Vanguard account, allowing for seamless transactions. If you encounter any issues, Vanguard's customer support is available to assist you.